Good day, ma'am. My name is JC Fernando Gilaranan from BSIT 1B, and today our topic is all about modernization theory. What is modernization theory? Modernization theory is the belief that all countries go through the same path to become development. They need to follow the model of developing country like US and Japan. Parang estudyante yan po, ma'am. Kung gusto mo maging top student, titignan mo kung paano mag-aral ang mga student at gagayahin mo ito. Traditional versus modern. Traditional, old, agricultural based with strong influence from the family and religion. Modern, new industrial people are more independent technology to use daily. Parang sa modern ma'am, parang nakadepende yung mga tao sa technology na ngayon at ginagamit nila sa araw-araw. Tapos dito po sa traditional, parang po dito yung mga ginagawa nang wala pang technology. Si Rosto may 5 stage siya. May 5 na hakbang daw bago umunlad ang isang bansa. Una-una ang traditional society, little technology, mostly farming, preparing for growth, building school, roads, infrastructure, take off, factories and business suddenly increase, drive to majority, main industry develop, age of high consumption, everyone has car, gadget, high living standard. How modernization happened? What is the needed for the country to develop? First one, education. To create skills people, technology to make work faster and easier. Urbanization. People move to cities for job. Media. People learn about other countries through TV and the internet. Good things about it. Advantage. Fasting development. You have a guide on what to do. More job. When factories and business grow. Better living standards. With electricity, hospitals, schools. Learning from other countries. Cultural exchange. Bad things about it. Disadvantage. Loss of culture. Becoming too Western. Unequal development. Some get rich, others stay poor. Forgetting local product. People prepared imported goods. Pollution from the factories and vehicles. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.